to Snidbits, where we give little bits of information about various topics. Today, we're going to talk about apple cider vinegar and whether or not it works in weight loss. Stick around, you might learn something. Apple cider vinegar is made with twice fermented pressed apples, and there are various recipes for making it at home. With that amount of work, it should give you a buzz. Alas, it does not, as it goes from cider to vinegar in the second fermentation process. Used historically as a health tonic, the acetic acid caused by the fermentation process is what's considered responsible for all of its beneficial effects. Apple cider vinegar can be taken by liquid, capsule, or gummy, and is often used as a weight loss aid. However, not all supplements are the same. It's important to ensure that the brand you choose contains the mother or the yeast that causes the fermentation process. By the way, the mother is always in quotes. A lot of liquid brands will remove the mother as it causes it to be cloudy. They say that consumers equate cloudy with bad. That's right. They'd rather sell us something that's ineffective because they think we're too chicken to drink something cloudy. Good thing microbrewers don't follow that philosophy. In truth, the mother contains the probiotics for digestion and gut health that give apple cider vinegar most of its effects. In addition to ensuring that you choose products that contain the mother, there's some other things you need to look out for. Organic apple pectin. This is associated with gut health, appetite suppression, and weight management. Organic vegan superfoods. This prevents artificial ingredients or sweeteners that detract from the nutritional value. Citric acid. It promotes absorption of many essential minerals, including zinc, and helps raise energy levels and boost the immune system. It's not for everybody, though. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, which can cause throat and stomach discomfort, things like heartburn. Yay. Apple cider vinegar can also negatively interact with diuretics, alter insulin levels, and lower potassium. So diabetics need to be especially careful when using apple cider vinegar. But it helps you lose weight, right? According to physician and chef Dr. Edwin McDonald, that's this guy, the outlook is not so good. He states that drinking apple cider after a starchy meal will help lower blood sugar and might keep those carbs from going straight to your hips. Probiotics and citric acid will aid in gut health, which will decrease bloating, but that's not weight loss. Sadly, there's no evidence that supports that apple cider vinegar helps in weight loss. At best, when taken with a calorie-restricted diet and exercise, apple cider vinegar might kinda reduce your appetite.